Students, welcome to Dr. Sourav's classes, and today we are solving ISI MStat PSA. So it's for 2025 and we are doing question number 2. So here we are being given the equation x square minus y square being 154. So then what is the number of element in S? So it's x minus y, x plus y is 154. So we have to find the integer solutions for xy. So we'll factor 154. That's 2, 7, 11. So we'll count the number of factors pairs of 154 like that. Factors are integers x plus y plus x minus y by 2. And also x plus y minus x minus y by 2. They are integers. So let x minus y is equals to a and x plus y equal to b. So then ab will be what? 154. So then x is a plus b by 2 and y is b minus a by 2. So then we look for integer pairs. How? AB is 154 and A plus B is even. So X is integer. Now B minus A is even. So Y is integer. Now both A and B must be of same parity. So what are the factor pairs of 154? So factors pairs of 154 are 1 154, 2 77, 722, 11 14, and they are negative. So total such distinct integer solution if we count, then for positive we are having 4 pairs and for negative we are having 4 pairs. So we have to check the parity. 1 154, 155 odd, so not valid. 2 77, 79 again odd, not valid. 7 22, 29 again not valid. 11 14, 25 not valid. So same for all negative combinations, all odd sums. So none produce integer solutions. So my correct option is option D.